If you want to simplify your video marketing efforts in 2019 with less effort, then pay very close attention to this video, because I'm going to share how you can take advantage of tons of video traffic to generate more leads and sales than you could ever imagine. But before I do, let me ask you a quick question. Are you truly using video to the fullest to boost your business's bottom line? Do you use tons of different video software with high prices on a recurring fee just to try and compete in the video marketing game? Or worse, are you just sitting on the sideline while your competitors scoop up all the profits by using the power of video? Well, if you can identify with any of the previous statements, then you will love the solution that I have for you today. It is called MeetZippy, and it's the all-in-one video marketing software that generates leads and sales with ease. It hosts live video meetings, generates leads, creates PowerPoint presentations, whiteboard demos, and online courses, hosts podcasts and masterminds, and much, much more. All this can be done under any niche. Now, before you panic and think this is going to be just like any other software, relax. You'll find that MeetZippy saves you money because everything is bundled in one place, has no huge learning curves, generates leads and sales easily, is 100% newbie friendly, and if you're wondering about all the things that MeetZippy can do, just take a look at these features. You'll be able to create evergreen webinars easily, present PowerPoint presentations live, host masterminds with closed prospects, record high-definition, quality videos live, create online courses easily, host podcasts seamlessly, help you close sales with one-on-one demos with clients, and publish recorded videos to YouTube easily, and also give you the ability to do whiteboard demos and a ton more. You can see a full-fledged demo right here on this page. Watch and see MeetZippy in action for yourself. Plus, you'll also see that I've reserved some amazing bonuses for you today as well. Listen, if you're looking for the perfect all-in-one video marketing solution, then look no farther. MeetZippy is the answer. As a matter of fact, I'd say it's the #1 video marketing software that can help you generate 6 figures or more this year. Plus, with all the ways you could use MeetZippy, you'll earn your investment back in no time. Yup, you could use MeetZippy to help you create profitable YouTube channels, host amazing podcasts, create evergreen webinars, record high-quality video training to sell, and more. However, MeetZippy is only available at this low price for a limited time during this special promotion. When the clock strikes 0 on this page, you'll either have to pay more for MeetZippy or miss out altogether. So if you're serious about generating a ton of leads and sales for your business, then why not separate yourself from 96% of the people who fail online and never really take action? That's why you need to pick up MeetZippy now, because when you do, you're saying that you're ready to succeed online and that you're setting yourself apart from the crowd. Plus, all the training you'll ever need to succeed with MeetZippy is provided. Yep, the team here at MeetZippy will always have your back, 100% guaranteed. So here's what you need to do next. Scroll down and view all the details on this page. See how amazing MeetZippy is for yourself and how it can help you generate a ton of profit this year for your business. And once you're done, go ahead and use the button below to claim access to MeetZippy today. Don't delay. Take advantage of this special offer while the price is still low, and get ready to generate a ton of profits for your business with the power of MeetZippy. Go ahead and get access right now.